Greetings one all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Let's jump right into this week's channel shout out. Alrighty, time for this week's channel shout out. Let's see who we got. A little pre-mix, just so I get a nice even, don't want them clumping together. Get one. Sweet. I got only one always falls out. Oh, Mid Tennessee Outdoors. Good dude, real good dude. I'll have to show you his stickers. Let's do that now. Alright, so here's a sticker. And she's got two. Mid Tennessee Outdoors, real good guy. Right next to my bro BC Gerbs. Allie Carroll, James G Outdoors, Mark Kratz. Lower Michigan out hiking and camping, outdoors and things. And I'm actually behind on both their channels. Keep trying to catch up, but and then Mad Dog Survival. So within good company. Well, there we go. Another great channel. I'm more than happy to do these channel shout outs every week for my brothers and sisters and channels that I watch. So all their information will be down in the description. Hopefully they work. If they don't, hopefully the end cards will work. You know, the video is usually short enough to do so. I don't know why that happens, but what are you gonna do? Anyway, there's that, and I also want to tip my hat to our fine servicemen and women out there, from our recruits clear to our veterans. Let's not forget, also 22 a day, 22 of our veterans take their lives. Should be zero. And I'd also like to extend my appreciation to our first responders, saving lives out there every day. Without you, many would be in a world of hurt. So again, I do thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.